In order to download Tableau Public for your Mac, just search for Tableau Public. Then you can go on the first link, Tableau Public free data visualization software. From there, you just need to add your email address here and you can click on download. So I'll just say and click on download the app, and your Tableau Public DMG file would start downloading right here. In order to download Tableau Desktop for your Mac, just search for Tableau Desktop download. Click on the link where it says Tableau Desktop. Then just give your business email ID and click on download free trial, and it will start downloading. For Tableau Desktop, you may need a license key to continue using Tableau Desktop after 14 days free trial. Once your Tableau Public or Tableau Desktop DMG file is downloaded, just double click it and you would have to follow the steps of installation. Okay, now just click on Tableau Public, double click on that and it will open up the installation process. Continue, agree, install, and then it will start installing. You may need to enter your computer's password. And then the Tableau software application would have been installed on your Mac. Now Tableau Public has been installed on your Mac, and when you search in the spotlight for Tableau, you'll find Tableau Public application.